just been putting on the belts. I found it a lot easier on the XZ axis to actually remove the whole carriage, because trying to get up inside the mechanism to feed the belt round and loop it round and then bring it down again, and with such small clearance here against the extrusion, it was easier to remove the bottom V wheels, took those off and threaded the actual belt with it open. The other axis, the Y axis, is much easier because everything's exposed, and that won't be much of a problem. But anyway, that's one belt on, and it's moving nice and smoothly. So I'm going to finish this off and come back. Just fitted this axis, Y axis, and it was much easier than the Z axis. You can get to all the bits very easily from the outside, so good tip on the taking off the XZ carriage completely. Okay, that's all done, all the belts fitted, moves nice and smoothly. So on to the next job, which I believe is wiring, which I'll start